Hi guys, welcome to Khushi's Kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare Mumbai street style Pav Bhaji recipe. If you like the recipe, then press the like button and share it more with your friends, family and relatives too. If you are a new friend to this channel, is a request, please subscribe the channel. Let's start the video while giving thanks to all of my old friends who stays beside me time to time and also watch my videos. I also welcome new friends too. Let's have a look to the ingredients which are enlisted for making this Pav Bhaji recipe. The ingredients list with detailed measurement are given here on the front page after starting the video. So you can pause the video and check the list in details. While cooking, I will also dictate the same step by step. To make Pav Bhaji, here I have taken some potatoes, carrot, beetroot and cauliflower. Wash them well and I am peeling the peels and I am cutting roughly all the veggies into big sizes. Place a pressure cooker on gas oven, switch on the flame on high, add vegetable oil and butter too. After melted the butter, then I'm adding whole white cumin seeds. Stir it well for few seconds. Then first I'm adding the potatoes, carrot and the beetroot. Mix it well with the butter. Then add Pav Bhaji masala and the Kashmiri red chili powder too. Stir it again and add 2 cups of water in it. Close the lid and wait for 4 to 5 whistles. Take a bowl, fill it with water, salt to taste and a little turmeric powder. Place the cauliflower pieces in it and let it overboil the flowers. In the meanwhile, I am chopping onions, capsicum, coriander leaves, green chilies, garlic cloves and ginger too. Now I am taking some tomatoes and making tomato puree out of it. I am taking some garlic cloves. Now removing it from the shells and making a watery paste out of it. After the pressure being cooled down, turn on the gas flame and start smashing all the veggies with the help of a masher. Also take out the cauliflower and mash it too with the help of masher. Now take a pan, add some butter and vegetable oil, turn on the gas flame and let the butter be melted. After melted, add chopped onions, garlic, stir it well and let the onions be translucent. Then add ginger garlic paste too in it. Mix it well. Now add some chopped capsicum, coriander leaves and green chilies too. Cook it for 2 minutes. Then add all the mashed vegetable in it. Mix all the veggies well with the help of spatula. Then add some warm water in it as per requirement. Note, add little water at a time and again start mashing all the veggies well with the help of a masher until the proper consistency of the gravy comes out. Now add turmeric powder, red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder. Again mix it well. Before turning off the flame, add some coriander leaves and green chilies, garam masala powder, Pav Bhaji masala powder too. Stir and mix the curry thoroughly. Then add some black salt, chaat masala, amchur powder and a little bit of fresh lime juice. Note, this bhaji curry should be cooked until 60 to 70%. Now turn off the flame and place a lid on the frying pan. You can done the Pav Bhaji curry up to 70% at previous night. Next day morning before eating, you can do the rest preparation too. Make garlic chutney for serving with Pav Bhaji. Take another pan and switch on the flame. Add oil and butter and let it melt it. Then add whole cumin seed in it. Stir it and pour the watery garlic paste. Stir the whole and mix it well. Then add some chopped coriander leaves and green chilies. After 2 minutes, add Pav Bhaji masala and also Kashmiri red chili powder. Stir the both and a little bit of water. Stir the whole well thoroughly. Bring it to a boil. Now adjust the consistency of the chutney. After adjusting the consistency, now turn off the flame and pour the chutney from the frying pan in a bowl. Make a salad with chopped onions, coriander leaves, green chilies, black salt and chaat masala powder, a piece of fresh lime. Mix it well and keep it aside in a bowl. Before serving Pav Bhaji, again take the same pan where we have made the garlic chutney. Add butter and some vegetable oil in it and let the butter melt it. Add the previous done bhaji curry and stir it well. Then again add a little bit warm water to adjust the consistency of the bhaji curry. Now add Pav Bhaji masala, black salt, chaat masala, chopped coriander leaves and green chilies too. Turn off the flame and pour the bhaji curry in a bowl. Now take some more butter and vegetable oil. Let the butter be melted. First cut the pav bread from the middle and stuff it with bhaji curry masala. Then put the pav bread in the melted butter. Fry it until golden brown. Now dish out the Pav Bhaji. First place the bhaji curry. Also add a slice of butter in it. Add previous done garlic chutney and also add a piece of fresh lime and place the pav bread in a side of the plate. See in this way. In the same manner, I have done 4 plates of Pav Bhaji. Serve it hot. So in the same manner, here we are done Mumbai street style Pav Bhaji recipe. If you like the recipe, then do try it at least once at home and let me know by comments in comment section below. Please consider the channel Khushiskitchen for subscription and press the bell icon to get notified of my new upcoming cooking video updates in advance. My heartful thanks to those friends who have already subscribed my channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all.